Hey guys, well, sorry for the lack of videos lately, but we're going to do one here now this morning. It's going to be on an ICOM, an old ICOM. It's an F121 VHF. Not exactly sure what the issue is with this one yet, other than it receives and has some kind of issue with transmit that I understand anyway. And we've got an old lamp cord put on here for power line, but we're going to remove this because this side here is not polarized, so I don't know what's negative or positive here. So I got another old power cord here that I've already got rigged up here, ready to go. So I'm just going to start off by cutting this here clear and connecting these wires onto that, and then we shall go from there. Start by removing tape. So we've got the wires here, it's just twisted together. Here is the end of that, right there. Once again, it's just wires twisted together. So we'll join up these wires and be right back. So we've got those replaced, which is always good. Have a nice solid connection here. So now we're going to power up the radio, put her on the watt meter, and see if we're getting any power out of this radio or not. See if she transmits at all, or what it's doing. ICOM 121. Okay, so we're on simplex 14652, and we're going to try her on the ICOM 148G microphone. I have another radio over there sitting on the same frequency. Test 1 2. Test 1 2 1 2 1 2. Nothing, no audio. So I've got another microphone, old ICOM 152, HM152. Test 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3. B1MDS. Alright. So the issue is we have no audio out of this microphone. So there's a very good possibility the issue we have here is a bad element in this here microphone. So we're going to pull this apart and we're going to check the element and see what's going on. This is the old element that was in the microphone. These elements do give out every now and again. So I had another one here out of an old microphone that keeps old elements around just for these very issues, because you never know when an element will give out. Let's get a rubber on it. I gotta get off of it because I gotta put the other one back on. There we go. I gotta put this one here back onto that. And just look at that there. So she'll pretty much just sit there, kind of like that. It plugs in there. And you've got the microphone part. TTT. Kind of. There we go. And put the screws back in. Sometimes too, if it's not always the element, sometimes it's the actual mic plug itself, the RJ45 connector. Didn't go bad on the radio side, on this side of it. It can also go bad in here as well. So sometimes all you do is install a new RJ45 connector, and other times that'll fix the problem. Again, this is the ICOM IC-F121 There we go. So let's put back together. Test 1, 2. 1, 2. Well, head audio. Audio's gone again. What is going on with this thing? Go off again. Head audio. And now we don't have audio. It's damn peculiar. Damn peculiar indeed. What could be the problem now? What could be the problem here now? One, two. Like, if it just worked. One, two, three, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So to get up and close and personal with this element. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. V1 MDS testing. It's working. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And you're give a distance from it. There's nothing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Not very sensitive at all. So we've got a resistor down there, down on the negative side of the microphone, down here, in negative wire. I don't know if that's enough to screw this up or what, but we'll see if I can get this board out and see what's going on here. Microphone put together. Actually had two bad elements. So now I got another one put in it. And test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. VO1 MDS testing. 1, 2, 1, 2. There you go. Test 1, 2. There you go. ICOM IC-F121 ICOM microphone. It's Pretty good mics actually. Really good mics. So that's the 148. Test 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. V1 MDS. HM148G microphone. Now we'll try the HM152. Standard ICOM mic. Test 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. VO1 MDS test. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. VO1 MDS testing. That's the 142. And of course, 148. Test 1, 2, test 1, 2. VO1 MDS testing. 1, 2, 1, 2. There you have it. Anyways. So, thanks for watching. And we'll see you on the next video. Because we have to do that draw. That draw for that contest. See who's going to qualify to go in the main contest. Coming up soon. Actually, might be coming up next. We'll see. Anyway, guys, 7-3. Thanks for watching, and we'll chat later. All the best. Serena 63. We're out of here.